I just received this beard oil from Bedfordshire Beard Co. It's called Fiji and it's quite exotic in terms of the name, the location. Fiji is a mixture of standard base from Bedfordshire Beard Co, which is just wonderfully light and absorbent into the beard. It's incredible. But the scent is coconut and pineapple. It's tropical, it's fresh, it's sickly and sweet. Reminds me a little bit of just fresh fruit, coconut shavings. You can really pick out the scents, and I've only got it yesterday. I've had it in the beard yesterday, had it in the beard a bit this morning. The scent doesn't necessarily last a crazy amount of time. It lasts long enough. You can give it a bit of a sniff and get a light scent of coconut, some freshness kicking in from the pineapple, and that works for me. I don't really like the really strong scents that kind of burn your nostrils throughout the day, but this beard oil is something special, and they're only releasing 100 of them as far as I'm aware. I think they're probably going to have to make it permanent in their lineup of scents because they're that incredible. I definitely recommend you pick it up. It's a great little beard oil, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.